Get set, go! Hey, what's going on everyone? Greg here with RC Driver, and today is a day of fun bashing. I'm here with my twin boys, Jake and Logan. We're gonna have a lot of fun with the Tamiya G6-01s here. I built these up as kits. You guys probably saw the reviews. If not, you need to check that out in the RC Driver videos. But Jake, what are you driving?
King Yellow.
King Yellow. And Logan, what are you driving?
Konghead.
Konghead. Yeah, we're just gonna run these things around in a parking lot, find some dirt mounds and stuff like that, maybe even hit a baseball diamond or two. We're gonna show you how much fun they are. Let's see them in action. Alright guys, we just wrapped up a fun day of driving the Tamiya G6-01s, and these trucks were so much fun. The 6-wheel drive, very cool. They handled really well out there on the dirt parking lot, on the dirt mounds, and of course on the baseball field. These guys really beat them up. They were smashing them into each other, and the trucks held up really well. So much fun. awesome bash session. If you guys like that bash session, please click the subscribe button, the notifications bell, throw the video a like, question or comment about the trucks, throw it in the section below. And of course, when you have some extra time, head over to rcdriver.com.